Hi everyone. Thank you for watching, and my name is Neptali, and thank you for watching on my channel. Today I'm going to my good friend. He's going to help me fix my wheel because my wheel is kind of bent. So he's gonna help me today, and I thank you, Lord, for this person, for this friend, Steve. It's so nice to have a friend that can help us in times of needs. So thank you so much, and I will be. I'm driving there. I'm driving there now. So, or I'm going there now. So, Steve has a business. His business is alloy wheel repair. And I know my tire is not alloy, but he's gonna try fixing it because it's bent a little bit. So, all right, I'm almost there. I'm almost in Steve's house. So he's gonna be fixing my wheel because it's bent. All right. So my friend Steve just finished fixing my wheels, and I'm on my way back now, and it looks great. Again, he has a business. The name of his business is Alloy Wheel Repair. So it's very I'm so thankful that he has helped me. I thank God for his life. Thank you for watching, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Once again, Galatians chapter 5 verses 22 to 23. And whatever situation you are in right now, always think of WWJD. What would Jesus do? God bless you all.